Hello and welcome back to our videos. I'm Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. Today in this video, I will talk about a skin condition that has affected millions of people across the globe. I will discuss psoriasis, its type, symptom and how a holistic homeopathic medicines can make you psoriasis free. Well, let's first know what psoriasis is. Psoriasis is an autoimmune skin condition that causes inflammation in your skin, resulting in flakes and patches on different parts of the skin. You might be unknown with an autoimmune condition. Let me make it simple for you. An autoimmune condition is when your own body's defense mechanism attacks your healthy tissues and cells. Okay. Let me explain this more detail. See, what happens when you suffer from autoimmune disorders, your own immune system becomes dysfunctional, meaning B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes, whose function is to recognize cells from foreign cells such as viruses, bacteria and fungi, etc., now start mistakenly attacking self cells. It produces certain antibodies in response to the reaction and helps in the diagnosis of the type of autoimmune disorder based on antibodies and affected part. So I have explained to you the concept of autoimmunity in detail. As I have told you, your psoriasis is also a type of autoimmune dysfunction. It may affect different body parts including the face, scalp, the most common type, chest, nails, back, private parts and legs, etc. Let me tell you how psoriasis actually harms your skin. Your skin cells normally take 2 to 3 weeks to produce and shed off. But in psoriasis, when your immune system is hyperactive, triggering rapid skin cell production. Instead of taking weeks, this process speeds up, completing in just 3 to 7 days. As a result, new skin cells are produced too fast. They do not have enough time to mature properly. This rapid production of new skin cells and untimely maturation causes cells to accumulate on the skin surface, forming a thin scab and scaly patch. These patches are visible and can be easily identified by your doctor. Now you might have noticed various types of psoriasis scales and patches. This implies psoriasis has many types. Let me give you a brief on its types and help you understand which type of psoriasis you have. The first type is the plague psoriasis. This is the most common type of psoriasis, affecting a larger population of psoriasis. It appears as a red patch with white silvery scales on the skin surface. The second type is guttate psoriasis. This usually develops in children and young adults. It appears on your skin as a small drop-shaped red scaly patch that often develops after a streptococcal infection that affects your skin and throat as well. Now the third one is the pustular psoriasis. This is a rare form of psoriasis which generally occur in fewer people. If your psoriasis looks like scaly, discolored patch of skin with fluid-filled blisters. The fourth is the inverse psoriasis. It may appear as a smooth, large, red patch in folds of your skin. You may identify it as a purplish, brown or dark lesion of skin. It mostly affects your armpits, groin, area under the buttocks and beneath the breast. The last but the most severe type of psoriasis is erythrodermic psoriasis. In this type, you may develop red, itchy, scaly plaques that cover 90% of your skin. It is the rarest form but most distressing and sometimes life-threatening, as it causes intense itching and bleeding on the most of the skin. It may also result in further other disease complications such as heart failure, pneumonia and septicemia. Now, you could be curious to know what things can trigger your psoriasis. So, I explained to you some psoriasis triggers. Your psoriasis can be triggered by the following factors. First is the genetic factor. If you have genetic history of psoriasis in your family, if your parents or someone in your family might have suffered or is suffering, then you may also inherit psoriasis from your family's genetic disposition. Stress may also be another trigger in the same line. Stress can also hyperactivate your immune system and thus in turn causes your skin to develop psoriasis. Second can be some environmental factors. Suppose you live in cold and dry weather, then there are more chances that you can develop psoriasis at some point in your life. Okay, let me clear this thing up. developing psoriasis is more common in people who are living farther from the equator. These regions include USA, UK, Canada, Greenland, England, Australia, New Zealand, and more. These geographical areas are cooler than the areas near equator, as they receive less sun rays, making them a dry and colder region. Psoriasis has also the same characteristic. If you live in these areas, then you may be prone to psoriasis, as some studies say. In case you had an injury to your skin that remained inflamed for a longer time, then there is a possibility that may alter your immune response and thereby develop psoriasis. Consuming alcohol, smoking are the main trigger factors in most of the psoriasis cases worldwide. Many cases are reported who daily consume alcohol and smoke frequently. You might be shocked to know that certain medications can also trigger psoriasis to develop. These medicines include anti-malarial drugs, antidepressants, hypertension medicine, and ACE inhibitors. Now, in the same line of explanation, let us discuss psoriasis symptoms as well. Not only we talk about its symptom, but we also highlight some risk factors too that sometimes may not be visible, but can affect the quality of your health. You can notice white silvery flakes and red patches on your scalp, nails, chest and back. Your skin may crack and bleed. You may feel intense itching on the affected parts. If you leave your psoriasis untreated, then there is a much possibility that it may cause you to develop psoriatic arthritis, cardiovascular diseases, type 2 diabetes, and mental health issues. Some studies also indicate that psoriasis can also increase the overall risk of cancer, such as oral, esophageal, liver, skin, and pancreatic cancer. It is a complete breakdown of what psoriasis is, how it develops, and its signs and symptoms. I hope you learned more about psoriasis, and now I will tell you how you can treat your psoriasis with just tiny natural medicine pills that taste better and offer a control over your psoriasis with high efficacy. Yes, you heard it right. A system of medicine that cures many patients globally. Homeopathy can now be your ray of hope that not only treats the disease but the patient too. Homeopathy is now leading the world toward a natural and holistic system of medicine that offers pain-free and stress-free treatment. Psoriasis is now no more psoriasis with homeopathy. Do you also want to be free from your psoriasis? If yes, then you are on the right side. Bharat Homeopathy has treated thousands of psoriasis patients worldwide, and we have a large track record of happy patients' feedback who are now completely psoriasis free and living lives with the glowing and beautiful charm of their skin. Your homeopathic psoriasis treatment is just a step away. No need to worry now. Just give us a call on our number displayed below and talk to us and take a prompt control of your psoriasis within 15 to 20 days. Our homeopathic doctor will talk to you and examine your psoriasis in personalized manner. You can also share your reports, videos and photos of your psoriasis. We will connect with you shortly. I hope you found our video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to Bharat Homeopathy and press the bell icon for such health related videos. Thanks.